This is Duo Adventures. Get ready to join us on our simple river date adventure. Come along and let's have some fun. Enjoy watching. Before we end this video, we just want your help on where should our next adventure take us? Share your suggestions in the comments below and let's inspire each other to reach new heights of adventure and love. That's it for today's video. If you like to see more content like this, just please like, share and follow us here on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next vlog. Bye.